Yes, the wait is finally over. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 has officially arrived, and it's already turning heads as one of the most exciting compact cameras of the year. When the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 launched, it quickly became a go-to choice for vloggers, thanks to its large sensor, impressive stabilization, and that clever rotating screen, all packed into a tiny portable body. Now, with the Pocket 4, DJI isn't trying to reinvent the wheel. Instead, it's refining what already worked so well. With smarter controls, practical hardware upgrades, and new accessories, this release is all about making content creation smoother and more efficient. So, what's actually new? And why is everyone talking about it? Let's dive in. The images showcase a compact FPV drone with a redesigned duct propeller frame and a front camera module built for immersive flying and 360-degree capture. The kit also appears to include FPV goggles for real-time first-person viewing and a motion controller designed for intuitive one-hand operation. With preview footage already surfacing online, excitement among drone enthusiasts is quickly growing as they wait to see what this next-generation FPV drone will bring. The official launch of the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 marks a significant step forward for DJI's compact camera lineup. After months of leaks and rumors, the camera was finally unveiled in March 2026, with its China debut on March 26 and a global release expected in April. This release confirms that DJI is still fully committed to the pocket gimbal camera category. At first glance, the design feels familiar, but the real upgrades become clear once you start exploring its features. Instead of making drastic changes, DJI focused on refining the overall user experience. One of the most noticeable additions is the detachable LED light accessory. Rather than integrating it directly into the body, DJI designed a removable module that can be attached when needed. This gives creators a simple lighting solution for low-light shooting while keeping the camera compact and lightweight when the light isn't required. For vloggers shooting indoors or at night, this small upgrade can make a big difference. Another useful improvement is the addition of physical zoom controls. Previous models relied heavily on touchscreen input, but the Pocket 4 introduces a dedicated button for zooming. This makes it easier to adjust framing quickly, especially when filming on the move. It's a small change, but one that greatly improves usability. Stabilization remains the core strength of the device. DJI continues to use its trusted 3-axis mechanical gimbal, delivering smooth and steady footage even during movement. Whether you're walking, vlogging, or capturing action shots, the camera maintains its reputation for reliable stabilization. The rotating touchscreen also makes a return, allowing users to switch between horizontal and vertical shooting instantly. This is particularly useful for creators who produce content for multiple platforms, making it easier to adapt videos for different formats. Battery life has also seen improvement, with reports suggesting a larger battery compared to the previous generation. Longer recording times mean fewer interruptions, which is especially valuable for travel creators and long shooting sessions. When compared to the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, the Pocket 4 doesn't completely reinvent the experience. Instead, it builds on an already strong foundation. The core concept remains the same: a compact camera with powerful stabilization and solid video capabilities, but with added convenience and flexibility. The Pocket 3 is still a capable device, and many users may not feel the need to upgrade immediately. However, the improvements in controls, lighting, and battery life make the Pocket 4 a more refined and user-friendly option overall. In terms of competition, devices like the upcoming Insta360 Luna are starting to challenge DJI in this space. As more brands enter the market, innovation is likely to increase. However, DJI still holds a strong advantage thanks to its experience, ecosystem, and polished software integration. Overall, the Pocket 4 focuses on meaningful upgrades rather than flashy features. It's designed to make everyday filming easier, smoother, and more efficient for creators. The launch of the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 proves that compact dedicated cameras still have a strong place, even in a world dominated by powerful smartphones. Instead of chasing flashy changes, DJI focused on refining what already worked, delivering meaningful upgrades that improve real-world usability. With better controls, modular lighting, and longer battery life, the Pocket 4 feels like a smarter, more practical tool for creators. And judging by the early buzz, It might soon become a familiar companion for vloggers and filmmakers everywhere. Let's see how it performs in the real world. Thanks for watching.